kinakailangan ng bansa, ito yung tutukan natin. Sa palagay ko, wala pang 1 linggo yan tapos.
Ma'am, hindi ba during the BICAM, usually may mga tao naman ang executive, nandyan yung budget secretary, okay, may mga tao sila. So, may consultation bago nabuo yung BICAM report?
Di ko alam. Wala akong nakita at
Diba
walang
before-
nakipag-usap sa akin.
Pero before, di ba, usually may representative ang executive sa BICAM.
I don't remember seeing too many of them. Most of the people I saw were the staff, the LBRMO, the APRO group from Congress.
So,
But like I said, I was utterly and completely dismayed by the process, and I only went to one BICAM. In fact, there were only 2 BICAMs, and it lasted all of what? Ilang minuto lang yun.
sabi ni SP Cheese, wala naman daw talagang perfect budget. Kaya
Wala talaga. Pero, first time ko sa hinabahan